Hey guys, and this is one of my characters I literally made. They look cute, absolutely cute, and I might show more. Like, where is it? Like her, Molestia. Well, quickly, I'm just gonna take the chat away from her. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one away. Molestia, come on. Make her as big as my actual. I don't know what she's playing, but yeah, that's her. I don't really like her pointing. So yeah, this is her. Let me actually quickly edit her. So her hands. There we go. Wait, no. Where is that color? Was it this one? Yeah, it is. So this one's no. No, that's not it. Sorry guys, I'm messing up. Like, a lot. There it is. Oh. I forgot to change your eyes. Oh, this is Molestia. I was supposed to take the tail away from her. She looks cute. Okay. This is her. She's good. Okay, so I'm gonna stop recording right now, and bye.